Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design.
Greetings. Week 2 is all about representing data. How do we do that on maps, 2D and 3D? First, we need to review the fundamentals of GIS data, what it is not, how to represent it, GIS data models. GIS and cartography are fundamental to understanding our world. That's one of the key messages this week. We're going to talk a little bit about geoliteracy, content knowledge, skills, and the geographic perspective, which will help you in your future journey in cartography. We're going to talk about how geospatial data is served, for example, through data portals. We're going to talk about geospatial data challenges in serving it, challenges in using it, GIS data formats and files, and finally, GIS software and tools. In our hands-on activities this week, we'll first dig into how to make cartographic choices when representing, in this case, extreme temperatures. I mentioned earlier on that we're going to be using a lot of different themes of data, a lot of different scales, a lot of different topics, so that you'll be hopefully interested in one or more of those topics. So a nice wide variety, this time with temperatures. Then we're going to dig into some population data, cartographic representations of that, and then small area demographics by polygon. We're going to talk about web maps versus web mapping applications a little bit in our hands-on activity and give you a chance to see and create those. And then we're going to talk about cartographic representations of data as services. That's a huge paradigm shift in GIS and cartography. The whole idea of a data service, not just a file that you download and use, but actually a service that you can stream. And there are lots of advantages of data as services. It's really transforming our world. So that is our goal, our high noble goal for week 2. You picked to find time to make maps, Lucille. 7 billion people and our crops in the field. Earth has some bad times. Earth has some sad times. Now I say, here's the deal. You picked to find time to make maps, Lucille. Oh, I digress. We'll see you in week 2.